we live? Hold up. Okay, okay. All right. Hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, everyone. Yo, happy to be here. Let me make sure we share this out because I know YouTube is not going to today. So let's see. One moment. Let's see. Where we at? Um, Here is the link to today's live stream. Just get that out there. Oh yeah, we also gotta actually share the link. There we go. All right, post that there. Let's real quick. Also, anybody who's on, I can't see your messages yet just because I'm trying to share this, but just want to let y'all know I am still in that spy put from yesterday. It is a 655 spy put that expires today. That's what I am. That's what I'm in, and I also took profit on that Apple call this morning. All right, real quick. But good morning, everyone. All right, let's see. Oh, hold up. There we go. All right, let's get it. All right. Stanley, top of the morning. I'm going to join. Hey, good stuff, Stanley. D-Scurve, top of the morning. I pray someone had Tesla or TSLL. Oh, yeah, Tesla went crazy. They sold out their Model Y, all their Model Ys, pre-orders or whatever. Or what was it? Does it say? I'm not sure if it said, but I saw they sold out on the Model Ys. And good morning. You bought a put yesterday on the SPY? Bro, the SPY is like chilling. I might need to like roll it, but also I'm gonna need to like watch out. Hey Frank, hey, top of the morning, happy Friday. What's up? What's good? Let me move this up just a little bit. I feel like the market's all over the place on the cool. I feel like it's not moving too much, but it's all over the place. We got Apple kind of popping today, which I actually want to zoom out on a little bit, get a little better look at. So I'm out on Apple, but Apple still looks good. $40 jump on Tesla today. Oh, is that what you're calling? Is that what you're calling D-Scurve? Because $40, I'm like, it's about halfway there. I wouldn't necessarily put it past it. We do have the volume it kind of died off, but hey, we'll watch the volume on Tesla. We see that pick back up. Maybe we run it on calls. George, top of the morning. Kong, what's good, family? Hey, let's see. Oh shoot. Hey, yesterday, I do want to say, when we were on the private streams, the like to the lurk ratio was looking nice. Hey, is there any way, can we make sure to, smash the like button? Levi, top of the morning. All right, let's see. Oh, my computer already appears to be working hard. Jerry, top of the morning. You know, I see Jerry and Gerald. What's up? Hey, Brandon, what's up? What's up? All right, so we got like a light, kind of like, I don't know why this tool doesn't look like it's clicking. Oh, it is. It is. We're good. Like kind of like a light little trend on the SPY. I feel like I need to close some tabs because my computer is like lagging for real. Tesla looks like it's resting. More Tesla news came out. Elon, hey, that's good stuff right there, honestly. Let me let's check the options volume. Check the options analytics. All right, let's see. All right, so the SPY, yo, it's back at that trend line. All right, so one of the traders I follow, he's, I don't know, he's like yo, at least like 12, at least 12 years older than me, been in the game a lot longer than me. He did kind of point out the fact that the market has not revisited this liquidity from the, I don't know if it was CPI or PPI data, but he expressed that there's like added interest at that level. That's kind of what I was hoping for yesterday when I entered my trade, and I'm kind of eyeing that level for the SPY as well, which would be down here at 652. But my question is, would they try to hold it out and make us wait, or are they running it today? Like we're getting these candles where it looks like, yo, we're slowing down, but it's also Friday and they like to play the games. Gerald is Jerry. Not sure why it had two different names on here. I think I've seen both names in both spaces, but I don't know. I feel like if my name was Gerald, I'd probably spell Jerry with a G. I don't know, but maybe I'd be trying to say Gary if I don't know. Hey, do what you do, Jerry. Do what you do. I appreciate you. Y'all, I think I really feel like what's really going on when I say my computer's kind of slow right now. I think Apple's just they're probably about to drop a new MacBook Pro, and they're probably like, yo, it's time to slow the other ones down. Still in a Microsoft call until the 20th. You think I cash it out? What strike do you have? I had just looked at Microsoft again. Here, let's see. Cause they like the CEO said that thing, and I'm like, oh, is this where that move happens? I saw it was holding up on the weekly at the 13 EMA. So let's see. Yo, my computer is so laggy. Where do I? Oh, I need to close some stuff out. Oh, I was looking for Microsoft. I forgot what I was doing. All right. So, yeah, I had looked and seen that it came to that area where the target was already, but I think that was like after hours yesterday, or maybe pre-market. Yeah, it was after hours yesterday. So what I would do, you said you have till the 26th. I would say that I would, like, it's starting to look good, so it can. I think it can still make it at least to that 525. It's like if you got to the 26th, I personally would say I think there's time. I would like how it closes today is going to be important, but if it closes anywhere where it is today, if it actually closes the day out and this candle looks anything like it is now, if it goes any higher, yeah, I would definitely like swing that. LOL, a Spice Girl spells Jerry with G. Might be before your. So I know of the Spice Girls, but I don't know the Spice Girls at the same time. Like, I know the Spice Girls are a thing, and it's like I feel like I might know a song or two. I just wouldn't be able to be like that's the Spice Girls if I heard them. But I know the Spice Girls, and I don't know their names. But I know they're what's up or were what's up. I know they're still pretty. Their name still gets around. All right, so taking a look at the poll, let's see what we got here. All right, so 56% say green, 31% say red. I'm a lean towards I feel like I've fallen to 31%. That's where I'm leaning. Let me check the analytics. Let's see. All right, so AMD's kind of pumping. Let's let that be known. See what they're looking like on a 5. And let me get back to. Let me hop in Moomoo. All right, looking at the pre-market kind of levels. No, that's the volume for today. All right, so looking at today's kind of pre-market levels. Ooh, it looks like we might have a hard time getting below 656. If we do fall below 656, there might be some money there. Henry, what's up? Top of the morning. D skirt. Ah, yeah, I saw Ion Q today. I saw it. Did they have earnings? I actually don't have Ion Q anymore. But I want to say I took it from like 17 to 40. So I made like good money on it. Just I think it hasn't moved much from when I saw it kind of do it, but yeah, Ion Q is they're doing their thing. I feel like there were some other ones too. So yeah, Tesla, Ion Q. What else we got on our list? Bro, my computer is moving so slow. compared to what it normally is or normally does. Rigetti. Oh yeah, Rigetti's a sympathy. Let's see. I hadn't even looked at Rigetti. So Ion Q's up 15%. Rigetti's up 14. Okay. Here, let's look at Rigetti on the weekly. Yeah, Rigetti's over here at all-time highs. Let's go back to Ion Q. I think there's the potential for Ion Q to have a pretty, like, just looking at the chart. This is a weekly chart, but just looking at it, it kind of, well, actually, hold up. Let's go to like a daily, see what that's looking like. But what I was saying is I saw liquidity up here where it is, and it kind of looks like a good area to get some puts at. Yeah, it came, swept this like almost $55 high. It swept that, and it looks like it could sell off more potentially. So honestly, I think it, like, I'm not sure, like, I try to ride it too far, but yeah, I would think, yeah, there might be some here. I might grab like a little cheapie. Let me see. It's probably more than I want to spend. Let's see. Oh, I might even throw out like a little, wait, what are my, hold up, I don't know what my day trades look like today. Okay. Let's look at the analytics on it. Oh yeah, hold up. Let me see what the lottos are looking like on this. You got some wide spreads on it. All right. So I just grabbed a lotto on an Ion Q short. It may not happen today, but I just grabbed a like a 0 DTE, a $52 put on Ion Q. So let's see. Patrick, hey, what's up, family? Hey, happy Friday. So yeah, we'll see if anything happens with Ion Q. We'll see if it breaks down. That's 100% like a lotto. Like that's a lotto, but I think it has the potential. I'm gonna just let that do what it does. Hey Patrick, appreciate you, family. Hey, sharing the gift of membership. Also, when it comes to the YouTube membership, I want to let y'all know that's like different from like the Patreon or WAP. That's more like exclusive YouTube access. So what kind of stuff would y'all be interested in, like, potentially seeing, like, behind the scenes or whatnot? I think get a little bit more focused and locked into YouTube here once again. Let me share that with the family real quick. Henry said, "What calls are we on? Are we in?" I'm in puts. I took profit on Apple calls earlier today. But here, let me share these real quick. Just grabbed a lotto put on, what was it? Ion Q paid, I paid like 25 per share. Yeah, 25 per share. $52 strike expiring today. All right. Oh, forgot that little. There we go. All right. Happy Friday, family. All right. So let's see. Hey, Wubaka got that membership. Yo, let's get it. All right. Tesla pop again, but I took my profit today. Hey, for real, for real. Cannot lose when you take profit. Hey, and also congrats on the profit. Apple pushing again. Yeah, I'm watching. I'm watching it. Apple, yeah, it's still moving up. I think I took profit on Apple like, I want to say it was like 232 and like 30 cents. Yeah, it's moved like $2 extra. I think I took profit at like, the contract was like 410, 420. This contract's at like 528 now. I think it was about 50% where I took profit out. But yeah, now it's at like 80. Opens on the move again. It's like there's so much moving. It's like I was. All right, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. So it's kind of like sweeping liquidity because it set this liquidity over here yesterday. I don't know. All right, we'll see. Let's see if it can get back up to like 1047. What do I think about Tesla? Tesla is good. So today I'm looking for fun trades. So I'm looking for cheap kind of zero DTE kind of trades. So if I take a trade on Tesla, it's because I see more volume. Right now the volume is tapering off. If we get like a pop in volume, increase in volume, I think Tesla will be fun for zero DTE. But right now it's like Tesla is ran. I think Tesla will push more. But on the day, I'm not sure. Like we need. Yeah, I'm not sure. It might want to come fill some gaps. It might just stop moving. I also think the Tesla options are going to be crazy. Do I scalp option contracts? No, I don't. I don't scalp, but I will like if I enter a trade and it moves faster than I thought it was, and the momentum is gone, I'll take profit. Like so, I guess you can call that scalping if you want, but my intention is not to get in and out like right away. All right, still moving down on the SPY kinda. It's a bullish candle. We'll see if we can actually confirm or if we just hold up. Robert, hey, been a minute. Hey, for real, yeah, it's yo definitely missed some names in the chat for real, for real on earlier streams this week. All right, let's see. I wait. Okay. All right. I always have a habit of going back and looking at what could have been, need to take profit and move. Nah, yeah, for real. Yeah, honestly, I probably need to close this Apple tab I have up here. Need to get something else up here, so I'm not like just focused on that. Cause if I see Apple continuing to run, I'm like, oh man, could have had more. Hey, so I want to know what is y'all's what's the most surprising move for y'all in the market today? What move has surprised y'all most? Oh, also, I was talking about this yesterday, but Netflix selling off. Found out what's going on there. I think it's Paramount and Warner Brothers is like partnering together, I guess, for a streaming service or something like that. So Netflix is selling off because of that. For instance, I got in 1 week Tesla option call option, made it a mistake and got out quickly, but looking back, should have stayed. I mean, it's a 1 week contract, so there's no need to rush. What do you think about this thought process? So I think so 1 week there is time on the 1 week, but 1 week worth of time on something like Tesla, you don't necessarily need to get out like right away, like instantly. But if I got in a trade and I thought it was a mistake, really fast, I would kind of go in, like analyze, hey, what do I actually think is going to happen? Like, what level do I think it's going to go? Like, is there any way I see this working out? And if none of those answers were yes, or if that answer was yes or wasn't yes, I would close it out because even if you held from one day to the next on Tesla, like if we look at here, let's look at some Tesla contracts. So if we look at like Tesla contracts for next week, all right, say we got to call the closest one to the money. Right now, the theta, just from if Tesla stays at the same price, if Tesla stays at 391.50 and does not move from today to the next close or trading day, this contract is going to lose $87 worth of value just from a day passing. And the closer to expiration it gets, the faster that value kind of wears off. So I'll just kind of keep that in mind. Rigetti surprised you today? Okay, hey, appreciate you answering the question, Marshall. Yeah, Rigetti and IonQ. I think IonQ was it earnings or like what was the catalyst? I know there was something. I think it was like a conference or something. Regulatory clearance to buy UK Oxford Ionics. Okay, and then yeah, once again, Rigetti is just sympathy to that. I would say Amazon most surprising. I am not. I hadn't even seen Amazon today, so that's why I asked the question. Cause oh yeah, Amazon moving down. Okay. Mm. Matthew, what do we see Tesla at for the day? Um, the way it is currently moving, I see it at 390, but um, it really depends on what they want to do. Like right now, it looks like a bull flag, so it's like here. I might have to zoom out some more. I don't know. I would like to think like wait, where'd it come to? Shoot, I say like 400 if it wants to like pump up, but as of right now, I don't know. This could also be end up being a double top. Like I'm a little biased today. I feel the market wants to come down, but the market, I've probably felt like that. I don't know how many days. I think if we look at the market the past or on the daily, I think it's, I don't know, I guess not. We've been gapping up a lot though. All right, the SPY looks like it's like kind of below the trend line. No confirmation yet though. Bro, I had SMCI overnight. 500 at open, went down to around 200 before I could sell. Bro, I know how that feels. I know how it feels. I strongly dislike when that happens. Uh, let's see what SMCI is looking like actually. Oh, that was a solid pop. Or no, they kind of ran up. Wait, so you had a put? I'm assuming. Maybe. Hold up. Yeah, so I'm assuming you had a put. Okay. I just wanted to say the way you trade helped me turn 300 into. Hey, good stuff. Hey, Marshall, I also want to say the way you trade helped you turn 300 into 2,900. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, glad to hear it, Marshall. Helped me break a losing streak and build confidence in my skills after 6 months of trade. 6 months of trading. Hey, that is brilliant. Okay. Shoot, I would if I were you, I would like, I don't know, get a video, take a journal or something, like do a video journal, write something in the journal so you have something to come back to and like see it, because there are kind of seasons of trading. It's like the same way you just said you broke a losing streak. There, I don't know, it over time, there comes periods where they come back, and then it's like you might notice, oh, I've kind of gotten away from what I was doing when I was winning. So yeah, writing that stuff down might be helpful. Uh, Wait, hold up. Yeah, Tesla does not look done yet today, but nah, yeah, I 100% agree. D scurry. Let's see. Not a call. Oh, you had a call? It was up 500%? There must be some price action in here. Let's see. Oh, so we open and then drop. Okay, I see. Yeah, I see. Dang. Yeah, that's tragic. That was like fast. Okay. Fast crash. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like it's been kind of coming down. Did it like actually crash today? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good sell off right there. Oh well, that's on the 15. Let's see. I feel like it. Okay, SPY is at the 48 EMA. Let's see if it wants to pull back some more. Bring it on down, SPY. Hey, very welcome, Marshall. I will also, like, speaking of like journaling and just kind of like, I don't know, like getting stuff down. Wait, where do I get this? Where'd it go? All right, so I think yesterday I was looking through all my old, not yesterday, maybe the day before. I was looking through all my old like Apple notes and stuff, and what I found was like my 2020 goals. And I was like, wow, this I was like my goals. I was like, yo, they were kind of putting me on. Some of them I achieved. Some of them now seems like it's not doing enough. Some of them I'm like, hold up, 1 second. I think I hear something. Hold up. Nah, I think it was just laundry. But hey, Mass 3DRC, what's up? What's up? Top of the morning. Glad to see you made it through. But yeah, what I was saying is like, yo, it's crazy to be able to come back and look at my goals and from 2020. Hey, Dominique, good afternoon, and see like kind of what I'm still doing, seeing what kind of stuff has changed and whatnot. Hey, Ricky Run, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Like, we're still watching Tesla too. So, you know, we got Tesla, Ion Q. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying though. Like I'm gonna share some of my goals with y'all. Like I had like it looks like I had like 6 different kind of categories. I had like a career, which I guess I was focusing on YouTube, calling that a career, because all this says is I'm making 2 videos a week. Maybe I need to get back to that, making at least 2 videos a week. It's like I feel like I haven't had the sit down time to like think about like, yo, what do I want to like record? So I just haven't been doing it, but I would like to get back to that. Relationships. So that was about stuff with my wife. But yeah, oh, I think this was like a little bit before I was married, just a little bit, because I got married that year. And then health, I said working out at least 3 days a week. Now that's like taking time off for me, bro. I put I'm eating vegetables at least once a week. I don't know what my diet was like, but I probably have some every day now. I'm paying off debt. On the cool, I'm still paying off debt. I have $1,000 in my savings account. Okay. Increasing my earnings. Hey, definitely, definitely done that. Decreasing expenses. If only. I If rent wasn't a factor, I'd probably be fine. Bro, and this was when I was on my credit card points hustle. I appreciate that, D Scurv. Yeah. And then I'm earning 200K this year. I'm gonna let y'all know that did not happen in 2020. Like, yeah, that was hey, definitely had some time passed for that one. Personal development, reading at least one book a month. On the cool, I would like to get back to that. Oh, hold up. Let me real quick, somebody. All right, cool. Oh, that did not even bode well. There we go. Cool. All right, got that taken care of. Okay. Realize my math is off. It was 300 into 1729. I was looking at my. Hey, nice. Hey, that's still nice though. Still nice. Yeah, that's a good return. Yeah, that's all. That's like $1,400. $1,429. Yeah, definitely not bad at all. All right. Looks like things are trying to push up a little bit more. Dang, comment got deleted. Hey, what's up, Tyler? Good afternoon. And to all my lurkers out there not liking or saying what's up, good afternoon to you as well. I hope you know that you are loved. All right, Tesla is. Yeah, let's get down to the 5 minute. It's looking like we're trying to show. Oh, hey, it's hugging that 5 minute 13 EMA right now. How much of a fall is this? Took a class yesterday, trying out a new strategy. Hope it works. What do you know what the strategy is called? Just out of curiosity. And then also, like, if you're running a new strategy, I remember, trading's a game of probabilities, so you'll have to run it multiple times to really see how you feel about it. Oh, you said you don't know if you want to put it in the chat because it got deleted. Hey, feel free to break it up. M Sense, what's up? All right, like that 33, just hadn't said what's up. Working, listening, also teaching. Hey, good stuff. But then told him to just come here, not sure if he's here. I know, hey son, let's get this bread. Hey yo, let's get this bread. Hey son. Not my son, but Simpson's son. Alright, we look like we're trying to push up. We might be. I feel like we might be range bound. I don't know. Let me see what's let's check the option analytics. Bro, my laundry keeps sounding like somebody's just in here. The insider effect. Is that the strategy? If it is, I've never heard of it. But All-Star, peace and blessings, top of the morning. Big Reg, top of the morning. Hope all is well. Oh, I didn't even. I feel like I don't even look at. Feel like I looked at what I was trying to look at. Yeah, now there's a big wall on the puts at 57. Yeah, it's like we're pushing the floor up. Here, let's see. For example, like UA, there's. Oh, is it like Under Armour? Is that UA? Okay. Okay. So, unusual activity. No, wait, hold up. Okay, there's got to be some reason why the CEO and chief executive both just. So yeah, it's like I would say if that happened, there likely is some sort of reason. Yeah. I mean, other than it being cheap, it's like you would have to think that if if uh if they're doing that, there is something that they think is going to change the game with the price of their stock. What are your thoughts on GME? Looks like it could go. Okay, so I'm gonna say this before I get to it, but things could change. So before I get to it and look at the technicals, my thoughts on GME are without any kind of whatever is trash, but let's see if we get in here and see some whatever. But also, I think GME they did that thing where they're going to start buying Bitcoin. So I think this will eventually start joining that. All right, let's see. Oh, this is a weekly chart. Let's drop down to the 4-hour. Yo, my computer. They have a stock split. Is that they have a stock split on GME? $11 to $10. Wait, is that they're making the shares smaller? That doesn't even make sense. All right, but I mean it's moving up, but I don't see anything special. What were their earnings like? They surprised on earnings. GameStop returns to growth. Don't expect another earnings mean spike. Starting to look up. I don't personally see anything that would like lead me this direction. Maybe if you wait, okay. Them and a lot of other really? Okay, Tyler. Interesting. They're issuing warrants. Earnings moved up. They did move up for earnings. That's true. What kind of warrants are they issuing? Here, let me look it up. Oh, this wait. For Reddit, okay. I found out where they have to publish what stocks insiders buy. Issued in October, exercisable at 32. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay, Marshall. That's okay. Wait. But hold on, I'm confused. I gotta figure out what kind of stock split they're doing first off. Because depending on what kind of stock split they do, if it's a reverse stock split, then they're gonna put multiple shares together. And if they send a warrant for shares at 32, that's not actually a good deal. So let me get the scoop on this. Because I feel like if it were like really, really good, I feel like it would have popped already. But let's see. Or maybe that's what's in the chart. Wait, this is supposed to happen October 3rd. Okay. All right. So I think I got. Okay. So GameStop is not conducting a stock split on October 3rd. Instead, the company has announced a special dividend in the form of warrants for shareholders of record as of October 3rd. Shareholders will receive warrants for every 10 shares. So you got to have 10 shares of GameStop. Uh, let's see. Each warrant will allow the holder to purchase one share of GameStop common stock at the specified price of $32. Okay, so it allows you to buy GameStop at $32. Okay. So if GameStop is not above $32, it's like it's nice. Like it's nice that they're offering that. Like maybe in the future, I don't know how long it'll. Let me actually continue reading. No, that's kind of where it ends. So yeah, looking at that GameStop situation, it just looks like you'll have the. It doesn't really say when the warrants expire, if they expire, but it looks like you'll have the option to buy GameStop at $32. It doesn't say anything about like selling GameStop. It just says. Wait, let me read that one more time. Allow the holder to purchase one share of GameStop common stock at specified exercise price of $32. Yeah, so it just looks like it's giving you the right to buy. All right, and since you care about open at all, you think it'll actually. Here, let's see. So open. Oh, I just kind of tell myself I meet the boat or missed the boat on it. That's like I'm sad I didn't get in over here, but it's like I'm for sure not messing with it up here. But you said, do I think it'll break the $9 floor and dump under 887? I don't know about all that. The next support is going to be this 860 area. I don't know about dump. I think it's possible it comes there, but yeah, I don't know about dump. I feel like all the good price movement happens after hours. Bro, they're just pinning the market here. So I got $100 that'll either be worth a lot at the end of the day, or it will go to nothing, or I'll get sold out early if things don't move. They legit just got the market trading sideways right now. I feel like that's kind of how it's been this week at this time. I might have to shift my focus back to the swing trades again, because the Apple worked out, but like me looking for day trades, I feel like it hasn't been here for me, or at least not this week. Brad guy, hey, top of the morning, top of the morning. Hey, happy to see your name, family. Hey, it's time to get the bread when bread guy come in. Hold up, let me clear this trend line out. All of these candles have managed to be blue. So we're still trying to push up. Oh, I didn't even notice. We got a. Looks like we got a pullback on hood, kinda. All right, so they came and swept, and they. When was this? Yesterday? Was it Thursday? Yeah, that was yesterday. Oh, it was at the end of the day. That's kind of annoying. Or we top out today, or we hit like 658.48. All right, let's check news. Yo, so we're. How's everyone feel about the fact that we're going to get a rate cut for like the first time since wait, when was the last time we had a rate cut? I feel like we had one like this past year. It was like either late last year or early this year. I think it was real small though. So we had one. I think it was in September of 2024. It's crazy. All right, took a few trades with the help of your resources, and it went pretty well. Hey, glad to hear it. I think I need to make some new resources. I need to refresh the resources. All right, hold on. Let's look at Tesla on that 15 real quick. Okay, volume still kind of low. Tesla looks like it might be about to go. Yeah, like it's there. It's there. I'm happy about the rate cut, but I think it's already priced. Yeah, I do too. I I not. It's like I do and don't. It's like we still. I don't know. It seems like we still managed to find ways to go up. Like honestly, at the beginning of the week, I probably would have told you we already had it priced in. But let's see where this week has kind of gone. Where we start the week out at. All right, so this week, um, yo, we opened around like 648. We've gone up like another $10 on the SPY. So it sounds good, but we'll feel better when I see it. I just shoot. It's like I don't want to just see one. Like this little quarter point. I don't think it's gonna make too much of a difference. If we're being honest, it's like it'll make a difference, but I don't think it'll make too much of a difference. It's like after when we get all the rate cuts we're supposed to get this year, I was like, okay, then it seems like we're kind of talking a little bit, just a little bit. DB, good morning. Good morning. All right, I think I'm gonna stop the poll for today. No, I'm not gonna stop the poll. I'm not gonna stop the poll. I was, bro. Apple's just chilling out too. It's like we check most of the stocks and stuff. We had this run. Well, not most of them. Robinhood's down. Okay, I'm back. So how's everybody's week been? Glad that you're back. My week has been I don't know, it's been a week. I feel like I don't know, my week has been kinda yeah, now that I think about it, I was thinking like my week has felt kinda like all over the place. But yeah, with like all the if you not to get too political, but with everything that's happened, it's really like thrown me off. And it's kinda like weighed on me and like it's just made me kind of like pause and think. And I've also had to like take more time to console my wife and stuff. And I don't know. It's like I feel best when I'm productive, but nah, I would say the productivity hasn't been too high for me. It's like there's with everything that's kind of been happening this week. How about you, Big Reg? Moo, you said the market's in Friday mode. Yeah, so speaking of Friday mode, I feel like it's gonna it's gonna turn up. And when I say turn up, I don't necessarily mean go up, but I think it's gonna make its move like either around the time we're done or like within like that last hour of the day. Today we'll see. It'll be nice if it wants to make it happen earlier. I'm liking this candle on the SPY, but we're not like really below the trend line or anything yet. You say yeah, sad time. Hey, for real. Like so sad. I've been sick all week, so it's been rough for me. Hey, well, I pray you're feeling better right now. Pray even if you're not at 100 right now. I pray you feel better, and that you're feeling better. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Are the ads on? I'm not even sure. Let me make sure those are off. But hey, we got the likes to match up. Let's see. How do I? There we go. No more ads there. Oh, unless you click off and click on, I think you might get one. At this point, we all need to pray and God bless us all. Hey, for real. Oh yeah, the prayers go up every day, but no, especially. Yeah, some of these, the hearts out here. I don't know. I'm good enough to do the show tonight. Hey, that's what matters. Good enough to do the show tonight. Oh, I'm supposed to hang out with a friend this evening. If it gets slow enough, we're just chilling. What time's your podcast again? I was like, if it gets slow enough, and I'm with them, I might be like, hey, we gotta throw the boy Big Reg on. I know a lot. I feel like a lot of the time I chill with him. There's like nothing going on. 9:30 Eastern. Okay, that's like 8:30 my time. Okay, hey, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, my friend just got let off his job. I feel like I got a lot of friends that get let off their jobs, but no, that seems to be a trend right now, and I don't think it's like really. Oh, hold up, it's light, but I see the volume on Tesla like kind of increasing. It's going up. Let me drop to a 5. I want to see how it handles this level, but the volume is like lightly going up on Tesla. Yeah, trading QQQ SPY is slow. Yeah, it's so SPY is at the price where they want to close it today on the cool. Like there's not really much between the two levels. Oracle, yeah, let's see. What's Oracle looking like today? This week. Yeah, Oracle went crazy. Oh yeah, that was a good short if you grabbed it short after it ran up. Yeah, Oracle coming back coming back down kind of hard. I would love to see a comeback down kind of hard like that with the Ion Q. Not gonna lie, that'd be cool with me. Also the SPY. Yeah, Oracle is down 5%. My goodness, why is my volume not? Oh, there we go. Let's check the. Oracle put for next week. See, me, I just have a hard time getting in like when it is doing. So Oracle overall is in the uptrend. So ideally for me, I would get in on calls either when it pulls back to 266 or down to demand back here at like 240 or 225. But honestly, like Oracle seems chill for a 0 DTE. But here, let's see. If I had to go in on puts on yeah, it might be good for it. It looks like it's about to cross on the one. But yeah, if I had to go in on Oracle puts, what I do, I come in, draw a trend, right? See if we can get either a touch of this trend line right here, or let's see what it looks like on the 4. Yeah, I feel like I would personally like to get a touch of this trend line again, but from there, yeah, I feel like it's a cool short. Tesla did break up and out again. Oh, hold up. It's there. It's at the level. I wouldn't say it broke out again. It's there. It like passed it a little bit. The volume's increasing. What are these options contracts looking like? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's up again. Ooh. That's kind of taking a chance here. Let's see. The delta on that's like 10 cents. See, I'm looking at these 0 DTEs. And it's like, if I had to buy one, it would be the 405, but it actually, low-key, it is kind of moving right now, that contract. But it's like, the delta is like 10 on it. So if Tesla goes up $1, hold up. So if Tesla gets to 400, that's like 60. I mean, that'd be 100%. But I feel like I want some go crazy. But Tesla looks good. I just don't want to throw it on that for a 0 DTE. Yeah, I'm watching this 405 though. All right, so got some increased volume on Tesla. Actually, hold up. On that last candle, they didn't confirm on the 15 though. Yeah, it looks like Tesla will give up all the earnings again. Don't forget, oh yeah, TSLL is a cheaper alternative. Appreciate you, Shada. Let's see. Oh, I kind of want to see how that contract I was looking at is doing. Oh yeah, that thing is already. It's already ran the 10. Yeah, it might be going now. Here, let's see. All right, so looking at Tesla. Oh dang, it went up. Dang, that contract straight up did run. But it ran up. That delta changed like crazy. All right, I'll hold up. All right, so I grabbed a 405 call, 0 DT. We'll see what happens with it. I paid 64, and now it's going down. But yeah, I grabbed a 0 DT on Tesla. We'll see what happens with that. I like that it's getting volume right now, but I am also in before it hit that like we didn't get a 15-minute close yet. Let me share that real quick though. Oh, I didn't get a screenshot. Hold up. Yeah, I'm down on it. Everyone just grabbed a lotto call on Tesla, paid 405 lotto call on Tesla. Wait, hold on, I put that in the wrong spot. Paid, what is it, like 64 per share? All right. Yeah, because I may have just got drawn into that. We'll see. We'll watch the volume. I like the volume going up, as long as it doesn't. As long as it doesn't end up being liquidity like it looks like it could be. We'll see. All right, let's see. Have to head out, hit the like button if you haven't already. Thanks. Hey, appreciate you, Master DRC. You have a blessed day. All right, Tesla with the pullback. Set your 2-to-1 ratio. Keep losses to a minimum. I think I'd be out by now. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, this might serve as liquidity right here. Let me see how it looks on the 5. Might get a cool pullback to this, like, what is it? 393 area. Apple's iPhone Air seen as a launch pad for foldable iPhone in 2026. Right now it's looking like liquidity. Very much so, looking like it. We got 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see what it does. Not much trades going on right now, G. Keep it on the low time frame. 55 minute or lower. Yeah, there isn't much going on right now. All right, so that still turned out green, so we're chilling. Let me check this. All right, we're still riding that 5. We'll see. I just got like the worst, like legit the worst possible entry on that one. All right, let's see. I'm gonna set my alert for like, let's see if we can get to 398.50 or so. You said talking about? No, I was talking about Tesla. Nah, IonQ. Nah, I'm chilling. Like IonQ, that was that's money that was just, it was like, if anything's gonna happen with IonQ, I still think there's like a, like I think things can still happen with IonQ on the cool like craziness. But if it's gonna happen, like that was like, oh, it is what it is. But Tesla, um, like just looking at the 5 minute and the 13 EMA and whatnot, and where I actually got in, it's like, yeah, I got in at legit the worst spot. I was like, oh yeah, let's go for a zero DTE, but this was a bad zero DTE, or at least where I got it. Whoa. Oh, I think somebody might be getting ready to move in next to me because I hear them doing like some drilling and stuff. Loki, I wish I missed the way the market used to be before we had like a lot of people trading. Back when technicals used to, when it used to just be more money without all the tricks and whatnot, all the timing and whatnot. Here, let me find a fall winter push. Hopefully this year, if we have a sell off soon. Nah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. Oh, let's look at SoFi real quick. So it looks like it's creating a double bottom. You said on the 5 minute time frame. I can't get any more. I mean, we can look at it, but I can't get any more zero DTEs. I think I'm in two right now on two different accounts. I feel like I might get played. Okay, I think and I feel like I just want to like let them run too, just because of like what the market does typically. You said on the 5 minute. Let's see. Is this one of the bottoms over here? This looks like a solid bottom. This is like, I don't know what that is. SoFi is climbing again. So far, it's climbing again. Let's go. 2830 by October 1st. The trend on the day is, yeah, that's solid. Bro, Tesla just robbed me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take my L right there. So yeah, out of Tesla at 20 per share. Just got robbed. Oh, why can people message in here? Let's see. Here, what brokers am I on? Robinhood and Moomoo. Nice discipline with the Tesla. Appreciate that. Yeah, honestly, I want to, like, I want to get out with it, but I'm looking at, I was looking at it. I'm just like, well, what's likely to happen with it? And it doesn't look like it's going anywhere good. So let's see. All right. Yeah. Oh, hold up. Did it? Lulu just hit his monthly EMA 200. Let's see. I think I had a level in the chart that I was. Oh. Wait, you said monthly 200, or it's monthly 200 EMA? What is this? Yeah, I feel like, yeah, I have a level in the chart on Lulu. Yeah, this down here. Yeah, I'm waiting for it, but I would have to turn on the. Oh yeah, it did. No, you're right. It's at the monthly 200 EMA. That's a good level. I want to see if we still got this month to go, so it might be able to create some liquidity. But I may looking at next week might do something. Circle shares fell over 6% after Tether launched USAT. Is this on my watch list? That's something I want to be in the know of for now, but nah. But yeah, you got that art. Yeah, it's there. It's at a really nice, really juicy level. Wait, did that message not send? Hold up. For some reason, my message didn't send in the group. Did I post that somewhere else? Oh no, I did. Wait, how did it get up there? Oh, hold up. I don't know. All right, cool. All right, it's funny you get your Moomoo updates a good 30 seconds before it. Really? You also have to think about the fact that if I get Moomoo updates and you're hearing me on stream, there's probably like a 15, maybe like a 10-second delay on the stream too. So I might get them a solid 40 seconds. Who knows? That 40 seconds could be a life or death. Kind of here. Let's look at circle. Wait, what's it? CRCL. Bro, they are doing some drilling next to me. I don't know if this is like the apartment complex or if this is like a neighbor, but a new neighbor, but I think it's the apartment complex. But it's just a little bit annoying. Glad I don't trade on the second candles. Oh no, yeah, I got you. Yeah, okay. At first I was like, what do you mean by that? But no, I got you. Shoot, let's look at some second candles. Let's see. All right, let's look at circle A. This is circle on the 1 minute or the 1 second. Where's it going? Nah, circle don't move fast enough. Let's look at like the SPY. The SPY's like not moving. Honestly, there's not much. I don't think there's much like. Oh, oh, that looks kind of nasty right there. Watching SoFi, seeing if it'll break 2660. We can probably watch SoFi on the second candle. Let's see. Hey, it's running on the second candles. No, I need a little bit of a higher time frame. Let's see. Let's go for 5 seconds. A little more substance. Where do we get this filled in? Let's go 10. A little better. Break and hold. Okay, it's at 260. Oh no. Got a little pullback. Oh, and there goes Tesla. I might sell a contract today if it hits 27. That would mean it has some more running to do. Man, Let's see. Watching IBIT as well. I feel like IBIT doesn't move like that. Hold up, that's the wrong chart. What's this from? Okay. Now I'd say they're about in the same category. IBIT's pushing up on a little 15-second. Look at that. No, it's kind of running. Wait, what's that? It's like 30 cents. Okay. Oh yeah, they got me with Tesla. Ion Q. Hey, I like this 5-minute candle, the start of it. It's a pretty looking 5-minute candle. Dang, where's my break even? Let me draw that in on Ion Q. I got a ways to come, but I think break even for me should be oh, hold up. Yeah, like oh, right there. Alright, let's see. Open seems to be opening up again, maybe. Tesla testing the bottom of the 5-minute trend line. Here, let's see. I would like the stock market to just on the day to just go kablooey. Just bring it on down. And I want them to do it before like 2 p.m. Henry, where will SPY end up today? So here, let me see where the money is showing it should today, but let's see. Where is it at? It's like it definitely like fluctuates. Where is it? There it is. SPY. It looks like it should be below. Or actually, hold up, hold up. It looks like, yeah, kind of like right where it is. Like above 57, below 58. In this area, maximum profitability for the market makers. So unless there's some kind of event, which is low likelihood, that's where the money is for them. Let me also take a look at IonQ and see where it is for. I don't think IonQ is big enough for them to really care as much. Let's see. So they want to keep it below 55. Shoot. They're still making money even if they, well, actually, they probably just want to bring it down to like, no, wait, that's the volume. Yeah, if they could find a way to bring it below 46, they have a bag. Market drop after hours. Maurice, that's like the worst for me. But yeah. That's like I didn't get a zero DTE, but yeah, they do like to. I sometimes I forget they do like to hold it on Friday. I should have just got next week on my spy put. Microsoft and Meta, are they doing a deal or are they moving? I feel like I saw Meta at 750 and Microsoft was like 511 or something. Oh, Microsoft at 512. Meta, okay, Meta. I feel like it's higher than when I looked. I don't know what happened with Meta today. Let's see. Dang. Yeah, what happened here? Hold up. All right, let's zoom out. This don't even make sense. Just had support at that 750 area. That's not that crazy a move, but like on the short term, that's a solid move. All right, we got the SPY pushing up. We got Tesla trying to push up again. Tesla saying, haha, got you, Matthew. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You said LMAO as soon as you mentioned it. All right. Okay. Tesla. Hey, chilling out. Chilling out. All right. Let's see. We got 3 minutes till 12:30. Maybe something will pop off. Maybe not. Quick look at what's ahead next week. Monday, Empire State Manufacturing. Tuesday, we got core retail sales. Wednesday's a big one. Oh, shoot. Okay, federal funds rate. Yo, Palantir look like it's doing something too. Let's see. Good little day for Palantir. Bro, this market's scamming me. It's like no volume on the SPY. Okay. So in this window down here, I can see the actual volume. I don't know how to change that. Wait, that's the RSI. I don't know how to change that on the little indicator setting. Like I want a color based status line style. No. Yeah, I don't know how to get that to display. No, 12:30 on the. Oh yeah, 12:30 my time. Yeah. So 12:30 Central Time. Okay, if open holds. What are you getting in on a put? Or a call? Yeah, I still want to know, how do I look at the volume? Like how did I turn that on? Canvas, wait, status line, scales and lines. Symbol. Yeah, I don't know how I did it. I like seeing those values though. Oh, you were thinking of getting a call? Oh, I was just asking because I felt like you were talking about it coming down earlier. Canvas. Bro, why can I not? Values. Inputs? Is that it? Nope. Let's see this. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Value according to scale of previous day hidden indicators and financials. Okay. I was talking put, but it got to 876 you were talking about. Okay. Are you in now? Okay. Got a call? All right. Yeah, I'm not counting on too much happening today. So yeah, don't really know what to say here. I think I need to go outside and get some sun on my skin. Go touch some grass. I'm like taking a couple weeks off. I think it's I'm not sure if it's my decision making or if it's like just things have slowed down, but I feel like it's slowed down. It expires the 19th. Okay, cool. You got a week. Got a week on it. That's chill. Bro, I and Q been riding this all day. This 5 EMA is about to come on down below it. I don't know, say no name, blame me. Oh yeah, I'm liking this candle. Liking this candle on IonQ. Loki, the spy has been riding this all day, for the most part. This little trend line might draw it a little differently, but yeah, it's been riding it all day. And there's a lot of liquidity too. So honestly, there's a good chance we get a move. I guess at the end of the day or after hours. As you see, we got all this liquidity. We got the trend line liquidity. That's just the market charging up for a move. That's all that is. Which way? We'll have to see. All right, family. What's the to those of you that have taken a trade, what has been your biggest challenge this week trading? I want your feedback. I would appreciate it. What are you struggling with? Because I would like to make content that you would like to, make content that you want to see? Content that actually would provide some value to you? Let me know. I got my calendar right here. If it gets written on my calendar, yo, it's happening. When I win and make profit, I go in again and okay. I can't think about the word for that, but yeah, I would throw that more in the psychology area. So almost like not getting greedy. After a win. See the trade and charting and then not commit it. Yeah, that one's sounds like a lot of psychology. Hey, that's a good sign though, because it's like it means it's like y'all know what y'all are doing. Let's see. Okay, so get in out. Wait, where to go? Not committing. D-Skirt, we might have to have a camp for that. That's more like a team building kind of camp thing. I get in and out too early, look and see how I was right to buy but wrong to sell. Wait, getting in and out too early. So, Sense, when you say getting in and out too early, like did you? Is it like you plan to? Oh, I feel like that comes down to planning a trade. And exiting. All right, let's see. Let's see. Where'd it go? We had some. What's going on here? Okay. Here, let's see. All right, let's see. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Wait, okay, that's why I was confused. These comments are jumping out of order here. Let's throw on live chat. Okay, need to walk away for the day. See the trade. Getting it out. Getting it to pay out. Patrick, when you say getting it to pay out, like what exactly do you mean by that? Bro, I've been feeling like every move I make in the market the past couple weeks gone against my move. I don't know if it's the more I learn or think I know. Every move I make in the market. Holmes, I would say like most of the time you might be okay, we'll just say every move feels wrong. I'm gonna just write these down. And it's like whatever I think of to come up with these, I'll deal with it. Here, let's see. Been too greedy this week. Relatable. D-Scurv, me too. I should have gotten a few plays today, but the ones I got, I lost and they kept going after. Scanners for Moomoo. I'll put that on a different side because I don't necessarily like use Moomoo for scanners, but I know they have them. So let's see. But that may be something I need to like implement. Oh, we got Ion Q trying to push up now, but that may be something I need to implement just because I find myself like on some of these days kind of looking for slower ones. Tyler says same. I'm getting in late, selling early. I'm so darn chicken to lose. I made 10 instead of 20 or 30. Shoot, I'm gonna write one for myself too, cause I'm feeling like the past week or two I've fallen off a little bit, and somebody in the Discord just kind of reminded me is only trading high quality setups. I think me being on stream, I kind of want to like sometimes I'm just like, yo, I just feel like, yo, let's take a trade. And like a lot of days, especially like this week, it hasn't really been there outside of like just jumping in. So all right, what else? Was really hoping for a bit. Yeah, Philip, that's what happens. Was really hoping for a big drop today. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the market makers, they see it. They see it in the charts, and that's why more time is going to be helpful. I didn't get more time, but it's like that is what we're looking at and looking for. All right, my other Gemini IPO at 40. Here, let's see. They IPO today. What's their ticker symbol? My other issue is not taking. Oh, okay. Oh, hold up, wrong one. Wait, space station. I thought Gemini was a different kind of company. Yeah, I didn't read the prospectus, but I thought Gemini was like the wasn't there like a crypto company called Gemini or something like that? It is, but only shows on Robinhood. It is, but don't show why it says that. Here, let's see. Let me see. Let me look at it on Robinhood real quick. All right, so we're kind of pushing up now. Gemini is, why is it called Gemini Space Station? So it is a cryptocurrency exchange. What kind of, why is it Gemini Space Station? I don't, okay. That seems kind of a little misleading, but hey, it is what it is. Maybe they have like some kind of long-term kind of plan, but I did put that on the SPY. Wait, hold up. I did put that on the SPY. It expires for today. You mentioned. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, so and the thing is, I feel like the SPY is probably gonna end up paying out next week. Not that same contract, but like paying puts. So a lot of time it's just a matter of getting more time. I'm gonna have to start doing that now. Wait. It is, but don't why it says that. Okay, any thoughts on STC? What is, so I went over this, I want to say yesterday. So I feel like Berkshire Hathaway know what they're doing when they do it. It's like I was looking, it's still like I think they got like $2 billion in it. Unless this is Berkshire selling. Here, let's see if we can like get any kind of like data on why they're selling off. But it's like the fundamentals should be packed. Let's see if anything. Barclays lowered the price target. Let's see. Okay, that's just the price target downgrade. Oh, they pushed back their earnings release date. Why would it? That's okay. That's not a good. Honestly, that's not a good sign. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a buy. I wouldn't say it's a sell because of that. I would say, like, I would hold it if I was in it. But also, I would need to kind of see what's up with this. SPY's been pushing up for real. It's been pushing up for weeks slowly. It's broke out of its little range on like, what was it? Wednesday, Thursday. We might have another week. Possibly another week of this. I feel like the market makers are playing the okie doke on us. So I kind of agree, but it's like I feel like gotta go kind of both ways. So it's like when it comes down to it, I legit like just looking at it, I need to stick to kind of yeah, just the charts. So like right now, if we're looking at the SPY, like every time I would have thought it was going to come down, like looking on the 4 hour, like if we look on different time frames, like maybe like the 1 hour or anything, like you see like a slowing of a range. But if you come to the 4 hour, like we're still creating the range right now. So in this moment right here, honestly, I should still be trading it up. Because it's still pushing right now. Bro, I don't know if this is TradingView or my computer. And it's like, I think my emotions have gotten in the way. It's like, I feel like we should be going down or be pulling back. Because we kind of should. But also, it's like me thinking I'm better and trying to get ahead of things shouldn't work. But ideally, like say we don't make progress here and we finally like get a kind of black or indecision candle, a strong buy for the SPY would be, bro, this, the speed that this is moving at is killing me. But strong buy for the SPY would be down here at 650. I would look to ride that first to 653. If it still has momentum, 654 or 655. And then if there's still any more momentum, look to ride it back to highs. But as of right now, yo, I'm gonna have to start doing my 4 hour trading or 4 hour time frames. And we'll just be a little bit more chill on the streams. Just kind of looking up, see what's going on. Maybe have like 2 or 3 trades going if I can see it. Every time I buy a call, it goes down for. Hey Philip, I may have to start paying you to buy some calls. SPY calls look tempting. I'll say yes and no. It's like it's overbought, but it's like so there will be some kind of pullback, but it's like how far are they going to push it? When I buy a put, it keeps going up. Wait, okay. On no news, and in the case of today, bad data, it still goes up. Was the data bad today? Wait, hold up. Oh, it was bad today. Okay. Nah, yeah, they definitely had me filled because or fooled. Yes, be bullish until the charts prove it wrong. Bro, there are times when it fakes out on the bearishness too. Patrick, you said you got disconnected from a call. What do you mean? Filled is right. Oh, I see what you mean. Where do you get news in real time? So there are news wires that you can buy. I think they're like they're like a few $100s though. Like I doubt there's a free one, but like there's definitely gonna be a. Nah, yeah, but if you want a live news wire, I don't think that's. Hold up. Oh, I've looked at them before, and they cost like solid money. So it's like I use Moomoo. If you check the little news tab on Moomoo, I would say it's pretty solid with the speed. Like if you're checking it, the news is like usually pretty up to date. But if you, it'll also like send you notifications for some things. But I would usually say the news on Moomoo is actually I'm not really hold up. I'm actually not even really seeing anything crazy. I haven't seen anything for like 19 minutes on Moomoo. So maybe there's just nothing going on right now. Oh, I got you, Patrick. I got you. But yeah, hey, family, I guess that's going to be it for the day. Here, let me see how Tesla's doing real quick. Oh, there goes Tesla at 395. All right. So the market looks like it's not really giving too much. I'm leaving my stuff in, but yeah, the market there's nothing really for the market today. So that's going to do it for the day, family. And I guess I'll see some of y'all next week. I'll see some of y'all next Friday, I guess. I'll see some of y'all on Monday. And yeah, with that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, Patrick. Peace out, Art. Peace out, Will to the feet. Oh, is that Will? Will to the feet. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, Parker. Peace out, Jerry. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, let's see, Big Red. Peace out, Lucky J. Alright. Yo, hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Y'all stay safe out there. And last but not least, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.